It was quite a challenge making over Tahmoor House, especially with the heritage elements and the sheer size of the property. But what's going to be even more challenging is fitting all that in to a little recap. A grand country house needs a grand country garden, and this is manicured to perfection. A new colour scheme lifts the exterior, oozing heritage charm. Out the back, it's an entertainment haven, perfect for garden parties and cucumber sandwiches. And don't forget the tennis court, it's gone from unloved to love all. Inside, its formal splendour returned, a modern take on the days gone by. The kitchen with a smart granite benchtop is a cook's dream. But this is the room that I love the most. It reminds me of a luxurious Palm Springs hotel. And look at this. Mine's a martini, shaken and stirred.